Hey, freshers. Welcome to Smarter with Me, where we make your school and university life that little bit easier. If you're about to start uni, you're probably feeling a mix of excitement and nerves, and maybe even asking, what am I supposed to bring? What happens on the first day? And how do I actually make friends? Well, today we're diving into all that. And trust me, you'll want to stick around, because I'm about to share the thing I really wish someone had told me when I started university. Spoiler, I packed the wrong stuff and it did not end well. What to bring? Alright, let's start with the essentials, packing. We all love the idea of moving into a new place, right? But here's the thing, you don't want to overdo it and pack everything you own. Trust me, your uni room is not going to fit your entire wardrobe. Been there, done that, and I ended up living out of a suitcase for a week because I couldn't unpack. But stick around, because in a bit, I'm going to share a hack that'll save you space and stress when packing. Here's a quick checklist. Clothes. Pack comfy clothes for lounging, but don't forget a few smart casual outfits for events. Also, check the weather, bring layers if you're moving somewhere colder. Room essentials. Think about things like bedding, towels, and a desk lamp, especially if your accommodation doesn't provide them. Kitchen basics. 1 or 2 plates, mugs, cutlery. You don't need a full set. Trust me, you'll probably live on pasta and toast for a while, so a frying pan and spatula are your best friends. Stationery. Simple, get notebooks, pens, and highlighters. Don't overbuy because campus shops have everything. Personal touches. Bring photos or posters that make your room feel like home. You'll appreciate this on homesick days. Here's where I went wrong. I brought way too many clothes and forgot the most basic things, like a kitchen knife. So, on my first night, I had to cut my pizza with scissors. Not my finest moment. What to expect in your first session. Now, let's talk about that first lecture or seminar. It's totally normal to feel nervous or like you have no idea what's going on, but guess what? Neither does anyone else. That's why you need to be there early. Grab a seat, and listen up. The first session is usually an introduction to the course and your tutors. But here's the best part, meeting people during these first few days is so much easier than you think. I'll share my foolproof instant friend-making method in just a minute. During the first week, you'll probably have a mix of lectures and inductions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, it shows you're engaged, and it can help you make a great first impression. And remember, your academic advisor is a lifeline, so don't hesitate to get their contact info early on. Okay, let's get into what most people are worried about, making friends. Freshers Week is a golden opportunity for this because literally everyone is in the same boat. You can bond over being lost or not knowing what you're doing, it's all part of the fun. And here's the instant friend-making hack I mentioned earlier. During Freshers Week, go to as many events as possible and join a few societies that genuinely interest you. You'll meet people who share your passions, which makes starting conversations so much easier. Don't forget to smile, make eye contact, and say hi. A simple "where are you from?" can lead to some great conversations. And it's okay if you don't click with everyone right away. You'll find your people eventually. Social media can also help. Join Facebook groups, WhatsApp chats, and Instagram pages for your uni and accommodation. During my Freshers Week, I stuck with the same small group of people at first because I didn't want to go to events alone. Big mistake. Once I started putting myself out there, I made so many more connections. Bonus time. Finally, a few bonus tips to help you adjust to uni life. First, it's totally normal to feel homesick, so bring something from home to comfort you. But also, remember to push yourself to meet new people and try new things. That balance is key. Stay organized. Get a planner or download an app to manage your schedule because you'll have a lot going on between classes, assignments, and your social life. And don't forget, budgeting is your best friend. You'll thank yourself later when you have enough money for both rent and that end-of-term night out. So there you have it. If you pack smart, get involved, and stay open to new experiences, you'll have an amazing time at university. Trust me, these years will fly by faster than you think. Got any more freshers tips? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, share it with your fellow freshers, and subscribe for more student life tips. See you in the next one. Check out my other videos on surviving student life and academic success.